Been Steph Curry with the shot, been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy.
What is up, you guys? It is Kevin and I'm back with another video. This time I wanted to present you guys my first repaint job on my black cement 3s. And I'm pretty much going to show you guys how to remove the paint, how to paint it all over again, the whole midsole. And I'm going to show you guys how to just clean it, you know? I'm going to clean the shoelaces, I'm going to do everything. And I want to get these dead stock again. Well, technically, you can't really make these dead stock again because you already wore them. But you can try. Man, you guys know what I mean, but let's get right into the video. What is up, you guys? Hopefully you guys liked that video, and I just wanted to show you guys the final product, and here it is. Bam. Now you guys let me know down below, how'd you guys think of this? Did you guys like it? Did you guys like this type of video? You guys think I did good? Hey, look at this. That's my son right there. He did a mighty fine job. Salutes to you, son. I hope you guys liked that video, but I gotta get to work, so Make sure you give it a like, comment down below. Anything I use in this video, I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. And my girlfriend's kind of mad, so I gotta go. Peace.